Today, I would like to introduce to you how to use the evaluation board of the Type1 SC Cat.M1 NB-IoT module. At first, I'd like to introduce the Murata LPWA module. Its advantages are its extremely small size, high quality, ultra-low power consumption, and supporting global regulations and major worldwide carriers. Let's go back to the key contents. With this evaluation board, you can control the module using AT command and evaluate the RF performance of the module. The Type1 SC evaluation board includes a Type1 SC module, micro SIM slot, onboard antenna, SMA connector, reset button, and USB connector. Before using the evaluation board, you need to prepare a micro SIM card, USB cable, PC, and application for serial communication like TeraTerm. Using the evaluation board, insert the micro SIM card into the card slot. Connect the mini USB cable to the inside port on the board. Open Device Manager from the Start window. Connect the USB cable to the PC and check the COM port. Open TeraTerm and select the COM port which you got from Device Manager. Change the baud rate of the serial port. Push the reset button and wait a second. Input AT command through TeraTerm. Receiving OK means that the serial port can be used correctly. Use the AT command. If the end of the response is 1, a network connection was established. Using this AT command, you can check the IP address. Using this AT command, you can check ping information. That's it for the basic introduction of the Type1SC evaluation board. Thank you for listening. To learn more or get the Type1SC Cat.M1 NB-IoT module, hardware design guide, AT command manual, and application note, please feel free to contact us.